Okay. You can suggest the topics that you want me to take. Okay. Also, I will take naturally some of the topics. So, in today's session, we will be focusing on socio-cultural anthropology. And that in that naturally we will be talking about socio-cultural part. Institutions. Okay. We will be talking a little bit on research methods also. I think all of these are there in today's session. Theories and socio-cultural part सभी था ना आज के में? Okay. So research methods. As well as theories or thoughts. Our primary focus will be on this section rather than this section. ठीक है, because ये तो आप सबको पता ही है, ज़्यादातर आपको आता है. I will take few questions and through that we will try to understand that how you should handle those questions, and I will also tell you that how to think. ठीक है, so वो मेरा purpose रहेगा. Okay, so first and foremost, in anthropology basics, there can be few questions that you may find difficult. Okay. And one such question is on development of anthropology. Okay. Development of anthropology as a discipline of study. ठीक है, सो इस क्वेश्चन को लिखने के 3-4 अप्रोच हो सकती हैं. ठीक है, सी एंथ्रोपोलॉजी एज ए डिसिप्लिन emerged in 2 different locations. एक वो वाली अप्रोच है ब्रिटिश. सो मैं तीनों अप्रोच यहां पे दे देता हूं, जो आपको अच्छा लगे वो कर लेना. फर्स्ट अप्रोच इज टी.के. पेनिमन्स अप्रोच. जिसमें उसने 4 डिविजन्स में डिवाइड किया अपनी बुक 100 Years of Anthropology में. ठीक है, सेकेंड अप्रोच कैन बी अनसिस्टमैटिक, टू सिस्टमैटिक. Systematic means when you have theories. Unsystematic, the period before that. In between you have Darwin and social Darwinism. Okay. Third approach can be continental approach, that there are 2 different places where anthropology as a discipline evolved. So social anthropology evolved into Britain, okay, and cultural anthropology evolved in USA, and both were combined together in 1948 by Alfred Kroeber as socio-cultural anthropology. ये चीज आप सिंपली, अब ये मैं आपको क्यों कह रहा हूं, जब मैं एंथ्रोपोलॉजी का डेवलपमेंट की बात कर रहा हूं, सो जब जनरली क्वेश्चन लिखा आ रहा है, इट इज नॉट आस्किंग यू अबाउट आर्कियोलॉजिकल एंथ्रोपोलॉजी और फिजिकल एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. ठीक है, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंथ्रोपोलॉजी दैट मींस दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट सोशल एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, कल्चरल एंथ्रोपोलॉजी इफेक्टिवली. ठीक है, हाँ, अगर ये सेम क्वेश्चन 20 मार्क्स में है, राइट, if this question is in 20 mark, then you have the liberty to go into that. ठीक है, primarily development of anthropology in paper 1 will primarily restrict to this area, but when they talk about development of Indian anthropology, so आप सब लोगों ने एक वो बुक पढ़ी होगी, I think हसनैन सर's book, नदीम हसनन्स बुक पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा है? नदीम हसनन्स बुक पढ़ा है? उसमें उन्होंने डेवलपमेंट चारों फील्ड्स का ट्रेस किया है. देयर एलपी विद्यार्थी, मदन एंड मजूमदार, इन सब लोगों ने भी इंडियन एंथ्रोपोलॉजी का डेवलपमेंट के बारे में बात किया है. सो वहां पे हम जो पेपर 2 की बात करेंगे तो बात करेंगे, बट यहाँ पे यू जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इज द मेन थीम. इज इट क्लियर? So development of anthropology. Now, is it a child of Darwinism? That can be a question, possible question. Is it a child of Darwinism? Because R.R. Marett made a statement that anthropology is a child of Darwinism. Okay, so you can get convinced with that statement, or you can reject that statement and criticize that statement. So what is the basis of this statement given by R.R. Marett? R.R. Marett was the disciple of E.B. Tylor. He wrote a very famous book, Threshold of Religion, after studying Manaism in the Polynesian Melanesian Islands. ठीक है? Manaism, I believe you remember, Animatism, Manaism, है ना? Threshold of Religion वो बुक लिखी थी. तो इनका बेसिस क्या था? Because Darwin have profoundly influenced anthropology, that led to social Darwinism, and that led to emergence of first theory in anthropology, that is classical evolutionism, and that is the, you can say, beginning of anthropology. That is the basis of his statement. ठीक है? So arguments in support of this statement. ठीक है? Argument in support, what will be that? Darwinism inspired social Darwinism, and social Darwinism inspired classical evolutionism. ठीक है? Social Darwinism inspired classical evolutionism. So that is how he is making that point. ठीक है? Okay, but that is all right, that his statement, this is the support. Okay, there can be arguments against his statement. What can be the opposing arguments? See, first thing, when you talk about arguments against his statement, the very first thing is that the study of humankind is as old as the humanity itself. Is as old as the humanity itself. ठीक है? Then, because human being, this 1400 cc brain, it is curious about himself from the day one. So the study of mankind is as old as the humanity itself. The second point is that Herodotus was the first person to study anthropology oriented, you can say, subject matter. ठीक है? He collected data about races, about the nature of family in 5th century BC. So second point will be Herodotus. Third, Aristotle is called as the father of anthropology. Okay, he says that anthropology is the gossip that revolves around men, and anthropologist is a gossiper who talks about himself. Then even Darwin was influenced by colonialism. He was influenced by Enlightenment thought. Okay, so how we can say that it is just the child of Darwinism. In the conclusion, after making these arguments, arguments in support and arguments against, you can say in conclusion that Darwin helped in systematization of anthropology as a discipline. He cannot be rightly termed as the father of anthropology. Is it clear? That will be this question. Next question can be in the development itself. The origin of anthropology can be seen as influence of natural sciences. Anthropology as a discipline is influenced from the natural sciences or positivism in sociology. Right? That can be a question. ये दो अलग अलग क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं, पॉजिटिविज्म से भी या फिर नेचुरल साइंसेस से भी, क्योंकि पॉजिटिविज्म इन इटसेल्फ वाज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड फ्रॉम द नेचुरल साइंसेस. See, who is the father of positivism? Father of positivism can be considered as Saint Simon and his student Auguste Comte. Okay, Auguste Comte. So basically, positivism believes in empiricism. It believes in use of scientific methods. It believes in discovering the universal laws of society. I am not talking about philosophical positivism. मेरा पर्पज यहाँ पे social positivism से है. कोई कंफ्यूज हो रहा हो philosophy का स्टूडेंट? So I'm not talking about that positivism. Naturalism, जो not naturalism, natural sciences में भी positivism है. ठीक है? Because they also deal with all these things. Empiricism, direct observe कर लो चीज को. Scientific method वो भी use करते हैं. Universal laws, ये डस्टर अगर मैं छोड़ूंगा तो नीचे गिरेगा. There is cause and effect relationship, right? Cause is gravity and this is the effect. So cause and effect relationship. ठीक है? Auguste Comte and Simon says that our purpose of the sociology at that time, because they were proponents of sociology, he's the father of sociology, right, is to discover the universal laws that govern the social phenomena. उनका पर्पस सोशल फिनोमिना को गवर्न करने वाले लॉज को डिस्कवर करना था. For that, Auguste Comte suggested some methods. Among them, comparative method, which was used by evolutionists, historical method, ठीक है? Comparative method, historical method, experimental method, and empiricism. Empiricism मतलब डायरेक्ट ऑब्जर्व कर सको किसी चीज को, राइट? सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, कैन यू सी द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, नेचुरल साइंसेस एंड पॉजिटिविज्म, ऑन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंथ्रोपोलॉजी? सी, नेचुरल साइंसेस यहां पे सीधा सीधा डार्विन लगा दो. आप हर्बर्ट स्पेंसर को देख लो. हर्बर्ट स्पेंसर टुक द ऑर्गेनिज्मिक एनालॉजी. है ना? And this organismic analogy that he took, which was later on taken by Durkheim also, which was used in functionalism, right? ब्राउन का functionalism तो structural functionalism भी वही था, organismic analogy पे based था. ठीक है? So ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी आप देख सकते हो. I believe you can handle it. Okay? It is influenced from natural sciences as well as you can say social positivism. Okay. So that can be the varied questions in this part of development of anthropology. मीनिंग स्कोप तो आप कर ही लोगे. रेलेवेंस अगर पूछा जाएगा एंथ्रोपोलॉजी का